In this video, I'm going to share with you the secret system my mentees use. I give to my mentees for their niche selection process that ensures they are able to make $10,000 per month easily. And now I want to give you the overview of that system so you can see what you are missing if you are not part of our mentorship program yet. Let's get into it. We focus on high ticket niches where commissions are as high as $1,000 per product or service and much more. But not all high ticket niches are good for everyone. There are a number of things we factor in when we are helping our mentees pick the right high ticket niche for them. We have to make sure of a number of things, and we're going to show you, because if you get it wrong, though the niche itself is a high ticket niche, the mentee or the person who has picked the niche won't be able to make $10,000 per month in it. And even if they somehow manage to, they will lose interest in it and begin to sabotage themselves down the line. So there are things we do, there are steps we take to make sure that the niches our mentees pick are not just high ticket, but they are high ticket that they will love to do and they will enjoy doing and be able to build to the maximum of their abilities. In order to ensure that this high ticket niche they pick aligns properly with them, we have a 5-layer system. Now I'm going to quickly run through those 5 layers. Layer 1 is core values. We find out the things that are our mentees' core values. What are the core values for our mentees? Why do we do that? We do that because we know that the best businesses are value aligned. If the business you are running is counter to your core values in life, you won't last in that business. And it's like you're violating yourself. It's like you tell a good man to build a business that is based on human trafficking. It won't make sense. He will have to destroy his soul to be able to do that. Of course, people make money doing human trafficking, but it will violate that person. I know this is an extreme case, but every time you do anything that deviates from your core values, you feel violated. And that's why you see sometimes people begin to pull out from this. This is very profitable. It's against their core values. So we make sure that our mentees pick a niche that is aligned with their core values. The second layer is natural aptitudes. What's the thing that is easy for you that most people find difficult? What's it? That's your money maker. We help our mentees find the things, determine the things that are easy for them, that are difficult for others. Things they don't even think about sometimes that others struggle with, but comes naturally to them. For example, there are people who public speaking, comes naturally to them. They don't have stage fright. But there are people who, the thought of standing before even 100 people to talk, they'll start shivering. There are people who carry a note and sing with beautiful voices. Some of them have never even been trained, but they just sing well. It's just singing just comes naturally to them. That's a natural aptitude. We make sure we steer our mentees towards their natural aptitudes, their natural strengths, their God-given talents. That's the second layer. The third layer is their aspirations and vision. What's their life aspiration? What's their vision? We steer them in such a way that the niche they select fits into their life aspiration and vision. We don't just pursue trends, because trends will come and go. But your life aspiration, your vision, is what will keep energizing you, to motivate you at a very high level. There are things like that. We make sure that we steer our mentees in that direction. Layer 4 is market validated skills. Don't confuse this with talents. Market validated skills are things you might have done in the past to make money. or things you are skilled in. You might not have made money from them in the past, but people are paying actively for it. We help you, we help navigate our mentees through the process to make sure they identify those things, their market validated skills. What are people willing to pay for today? That is a skill you already have. What have you done in the past that people were willing to pay for? We bring all those things and harmonize them with the other layers to help you pick the right niche, a niche that resonates with you through and through. The fifth and final layer is lifestyle and risk tolerance. Now, somebody once sent me a message. He said he built a business that was making him $50,000 per month and he hated it. Every day he woke up to that business, he hated it. He was making money, but he hated it because that business did not allow him to live the kind of life he wanted to live until he was helped to create a system that freed him up. So what's the point of building a business that makes you good money, but that feels like you are trapped, you are enslaved? You don't want such a business. And we make sure that our mentees don't make that mistake. We help them pick a niche that aligns with their lifestyle and also aligns with their risk tolerance. There are certain things that people, I don't want to go this far. We are not about to change your core being. We want to change your financial life. And we want you to do it on your own terms while being your best self. So we make sure that the niche aligns with your lifestyle. How do we do that? We do that by giving you a questionnaire, a detailed 21 question test, a questionnaire that takes you through processes. And once you answer that questionnaire correctly, we show you how. Once you answer that questionnaire correctly, then we take you to the next phase. Now we get to the next phase. We engage AI. You can use ChatGPT, you can use Claude, DeepSeek, any of the AI and GPT-4 platforms are okay. We have created detailed prompts that now take the inputs from our questionnaire, 21 questionnaire, and merge it with a detailed engineered prompts, a set of engineered prompts we have created for the deep niche selection. We have 3 categories. The first category picks general high-ticket niches that fit all the 5 layers that we mentioned about for each mentee. It will give the mentee 5 of such. In each of the niches mentioned, it will include the top YouTube channels for that particular niche. Each of the channels must have at least 10,000 subscribers. And it will also give the top affiliate programs or products and services for that niche. It will do it for each of the 5 niches that it lists for this general category. Then there will be another category, a prompt for another category, which is for obscure high-ticket niches, but mid-level. These are niches where you have leads for like say $50 and above, and then commissions for like $500 and above. Then it will have the third prompt that is for high-ticket niches, obscure high-ticket niches, but higher-end obscure high-ticket niches. This one, the affiliate programs must pay at least $1,000. That should be the average, and the leads will be like from $200. Now, when our mentees use these prompts, the way we guide them, combining them with the results from the questionnaire we've given them, that's the way we combine them. Each of them, when they do that, they will get a total of about 15. They will get a total of 15 niches that align with them. Now, what is the next phase? This person is now going to go through the list of niches that have been provided and decide, I want this, I prefer this one and this one. The top 2 that they prefer, that resonates most with them, they pick those 2. And then what's the next step? They begin to do in-depth research on those 2. The next step is for them to go and begin to do detailed research on the YouTube channels listed, 5 for each of the niches, and then on the affiliate programs, just confirm a number of things as we would direct. It's a very detailed kind of research for them to be sure of these two niches. From those two, we can now come back. They come back to the mentor, in this case me, and then I'll look at what they have picked and then ask them questions, and we confirm and certify that they have picked the right niche for them, and then we'll now give them a go ahead. You can go ahead with this one, and they go ahead with it. Now that is a sure foundation that makes them know, look, I've picked the best niche that aligns with my values, my lifestyle, my natural talents, my market validated skills, and my visions and aspirations. And will also make me $10,000 per month a lot faster. Now, you want the prompt, you want the questionnaire. We have 3 prompts for the deep dive into the niches that uncover niches that 99% of beginners will not even think of. Now, apart from that, it will give you niches that no manual research can find, because the AI scours the web, which you cannot really do effectively manually. So it is not just a time-saving tool. It also goes deep. It goes deep and uncovers obscure niches, not niches people talk about every time. So if you want these prompts and you want this questionnaire, I'm sorry, it is only available to members of our mentorship program. You have to be our mentee. And for you to be our mentee, you have to be part of our mentorship program. So if you're interested in being part of our mentorship program, the link is in the pinned comment and description below. It is $10K in 24. Click that link. It will take you to a sign-up page where you provide your phone number, your email address, and your name. When you submit, you will get an automatic email within 5 minutes in the email address you provided. Please open that email and click the confirm link. There's a link where you're asked to click to confirm your email address. If you don't click that link, the conversation dies there. So please click that link. It will confirm your email. And once you confirm the email, within another 5 minutes, you will get another email that will give you 2 links. One link will be to the application form. The other link, which will be in the PS section, will be to our overview document. The overview document gives you an overview of what we do in the mentorship program. But the application form is what you have to fill. You go and answer the questions in the application form. Why are we bothering you to fill an application form? Our mentorship program is awesome. It has been designed to take you from where you are to $10,000 per month. But it won't work for everybody. It requires a kind of person, a profile, a type of person who thinks in a certain way, who has a certain level of aptitude, in fact, it's not every kind of person. So this application process helps us filter out people who are not teachable, people who are not serious-minded, people who cannot commit to things for a long time. Our system does that automatically. But if our system thinks you have qualified, it will send you an email automatically when you submit, giving you a link to where you will book a call with me. You can book any time that is convenient for you from the list. When you book that call, automatically you get another email that will give you my phone number. But it's not for you to call me, it's for you to save my phone number so that when I call, you will know it's not a random stranger calling you. And when I call you, you ask me all the questions you have about the mentorship program, and I may ask you a few questions. When you're satisfied that I'm the right mentor for you, we can now give you our payment details so that you can pay and join the mentorship program. We want to be sure that you know what you're entering into. So what if you're interested in building another income stream, but you know you don't have the time or you don't have the inclination to be in a mentorship for 2 years? If you have the money to pay, we have a done for you package where our team will build out this entire ecosystem that will teach our mentees. We'll build it out for you. Our full package promises that you'll be making $20,000 per month from the 25th month. It will take 24 months for us to build. By the 25th month, you start making $20,000 per month. You can aim for as little as $200 per month, $1,000 per month. Any amount, it's up to you. But just note that if you want the high amounts, it's high investment amounts. We're not talking about small change here. So if you're interested in that, click the second link in the pinned comment and description. It is DFY Passive Income Digital Assets, PIDA. When you click that link, it will take you to a sign-up page and will take you through a similar process to the mentorship program. But then when you confirm your email, you will get an overview document of the Passive Income Digital Assets, our program, Done For You program. Please take your time to read it. Unlike the mentorship, this one is very detailed because you are not being trained. We are building out for you. So we need to explain things to you in more details. The mentees will go through the process and learn, but you will need to see the picture of what you are going to get, why we are doing it, why it works for us, the skin we have in the game, the payment options, the details of payment, and all those things are in the overview document. And you can only get it after you have confirmed. So when you get to the point of booking a call, you book a call, we'll call you and we'll talk. And if you are happy with what we have answered you, we can take things to the next level. Because depending on the amount you want to invest, you may have to bring your lawyers, and we'll bring our lawyers, and we'll sign agreements and make sure things are done correctly. So the ball is now in your court. You can build the financial life you've always dreamed of. That house you have been thinking about building is now within your reach. The vacation for your family is now within your reach. The cars you have always thought of that other people are only qualified to have is now within your reach. But it starts with taking the next step, clicking that link in the pinned comment and description below. Thanks for watching this video. God bless you and have a great life.